Morning students, today we are going to do notice writing. Up now, what is a notice? Do you all know? Yes, notice is a formal means of communication. अपन किसी को कहीं कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए जब होता है तो वी नीड अ नोटिस. ये नोटिस एक तरह का अनाउंसमेंट होता है. इट इज़ एन अनाउंसमेंट विच इज़ आइदर रिटन और इन प्रिंटेड फॉर्म and it is made for a specific group. Now that specific group can be anyone. It can be any institution, it can be from the government, it can be from the school. Anyway, this notice can be given. Now what happens? This notice are either displayed at prominent places or they are published in newspapers and magazines. ये यहाँ तो आपके कहीं डिस्प्ले बोर्ड होता है स्कूल्स में जैसे, या टाउन हॉल्स होते हैं. सो इन द सिटीज़ आइदर इट इज़ पुट अप देयर और अदरवाइज इट इज़ पुट इन न्यूज़पेपर्स और मैगजीन्स. जैसे गवर्नमेंट मोस्टली दे पब्लिश देयर notices in newspapers. Now what are the important tips of the notice? What you have to remember? First of all, you have to see that your notice should not go or exceed more than 50 words. You should not repeat any information which is avoided. You should always enclose the notice in a box. That is compulsory. You have to make sure that you draw the box with a pencil. Keep your notice short, crisp and to the point. To the point होनी चाहिए. The notice word should be highlighted. It should be in capital. It can be either bold or underlined. It should be bold, otherwise you have to underline it. Even the title what you write, it should be captivating and eye-catchy. It should catch the attention of the reader. Don't make hypothetical information and facts. ऐसे वैसे facts डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to mention all the valuable information जो भी आपके question में आया हो, that you have to do. And always remember, आप जब notices लिखते हैं तो it should be always in 5 W's. हमेशा 5 W's में होना चाहिए. What, why, when, where and who. And always write clearly and in a formal manner and always put the notice in a box. ये हमेशा याद रखना, because there are marks for your format. Now when can we write notices? Notices हम कब कब लिख सकते हैं? What are the various reasons for writing notices? The various topics for notice writing can be either when you are having a competition and you can put up a notice, or if your school is going on an excursion trip, that time you can put up a notice. Then you can even put up a notice of lost and found. You can put up an inauguration. When it's an inauguration, then you can put up a notice. You can put up a notice for any blood donation camp, for any exhibition or any event where you would like to inform any people of your own school or of any public interest. अब आपका फॉर्मेट कैसा होना चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आपको हमेशा याद रखना है कि नोटिस हमेशा बॉक्स में होगी. इट शुड बी इन द बॉक्स. फिर आपको अपने नोटिस में you have to write the name of the issuing agency, means जो भी इशू कर रहा है नोटिस, चाहे स्कूल हो चाहे कोई और अथॉरिटी हो, उसका नेम शुड कम इन द मिडल, सबसे टॉप पे. यू विल राइट डाउन, उसके नीचे आप लिखेंगे नोटिस, विच शुड ऑलवेज बी इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. फिर ऑन योर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड योर डेट ऑफ इशू शुड बी रिटन इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन. उसके बाद आप टाइटल या सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द इवेंट लिखेंगे, वो भी मिडल में होगा। उसके नीचे आप लिखेंगे बॉडी पार्ट। बॉडी पार्ट में दैट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और हमेशा याद रखना कि उसमें आपको 5 W's के आंसर देने हैं। व्हेन मतलब डेट एंड टाइम, ड्यूरेशन, प्लेस वेयर, वेन्यू वो भी पाए, वाई रीज़न कि आप ये नोटिस क्यों पब्लिश कर रहे हो, हु किसके लिए है। So that is how you have to answer your 5 W's. When you finish the notice, you don't have to write any complimentary clause. You will straightway do your signature, write your name and your designation. अब आप देखो एक सैम्पल है, यह नेम ऑफ द इशूइंग एजेंसी दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल लखनऊ, everything is written in capital letter, then comes the notice, then comes the date of issue, then you get your subject celebration of World Environment Day, फिर आपने body part लिखा, students are informed, you don't have to write anything else, you have to just straightway start it what you are trying to inform. So students are informed that World Environment Day will be observed on 5th of June 2016 in the school premises. Each class is instructed to bring at least 2 saplings. For more information contact the undersigned. और फिर नीचे आप देखेंगे नेम ऑफ द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी, जिसने किया है उसका नाम, और डेजिग्नेशन ही इज द हेड बॉय हु इज इशूइंग द नोटिस. Now a second notice. As principal of Sardar Patel Vidyalaya Lucknow, draft a notice in not more than 50 words informing students of the change in school timings with effect for the 1st of October. State valid reasons for the change. तो उसमें भी आप देखिए पहले लिखा हुआ है सरदार पटेल विद्यालय लखनऊ, फिर you have written capital notice, then 22nd September and you have written the year 20 and excess because you can that time you have to year put in the year जब आप ये notice लिख रहे हो. Change in school timings, that was your heading. Your heading should always be short. All students are hereby informed about a change in school timings from 1st October 20. The school will now start at 9 a.m. and end at 3 p.m. In the past few years, it has been seen that winters are rather severe and it becomes quite difficult to start early due to the extreme cold weather and the dense fog. So these new timings will be followed till any further notice. और फिर एक लाइन छोड़ के you have seen the designation is written principal. So this is how you have to write notice. अब आपके समझ में आ गया होगा कि notices कैसे लिखते हैं. You must have understood notice writing कैसे लिखी जाती है. Now it's time for our assignment. So I have given you 2 questions which you have to do in your notebooks and send it to me